What's going on here?
What you're seeing here is the final assembly process for the F-16 aircraft. We have a final mate where they've mated the aft fuselage with the midsection and then the front section of the aircraft. Here you're seeing the final assembly of that. They're pulling the last pieces of the aircraft together. And it's going to then move from this station over where they've got to integrate the engine, and from there we almost have a full aircraft. It's going to be released out the back and they're going to take it to the paint shop, and from there you'll have a nice aircraft. And I can't tell you which one this is for. This is not for the T-50, but we have orders from other countries as well, so we're building these for other countries as well.
Now a lot of this is obviously assembled manually here.
Almost every aircraft is actually built by hand from the ground up. That's why you see a lot of men around them pulling things together. Of course, the design is all done computationally and all of that, and how everything's going to fit together is done on the computer, but when it comes down to actually building it, it's done manually. The cost of each one of these planes is about $25 million each as they go rolling out the back end. So each aircraft here is about that much, and that's actually very cheap for a sophisticated fighter such as the F-16. You want to control the skies, and so you want an aircraft that is nimble and effective in eliminating the adversary out of the sky so that you have what's called air power dominance over your adversary. Once you've maintained air power dominance, then that allows you to go in with your ground troops, which is exactly what we've done in current Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan, what we did during Desert Storm. So having air superiority is essential to maintain that military superiority.
We're standing here right in front of an actual cockpit of a plane?
That's correct. This is the F-16 cockpit, as you can see. I think it's interesting to note, however, that to build an aircraft like this takes a number of engineers and a number of teams from various groups and disciplines. Everything from the factory floor engineer who's actually assembling and bolting down pieces of it, to the mechanical engineer who designs the layout for the wing and the fuselage and how those things are going to get mated together, to the external aerodynamicist, the guy who actually designs the external part of the vehicle and understands how that's going to perform in flight. So, and then you have the inside itself. You have avionics engineers. The avionics is where all you see those instrumentations inside the vehicle itself. All those dials and things are referencing different kinds of instrumentation that goes inside the aircraft. This is really nothing more than a high-speed flying sensing machine.
A lot of people may not be aware of all the types of disciplines that you were naming.
Exactly.
That's involved. You know, it's not just a scientist
right.
that works here at Lockheed Martin.
Exactly.
You know, right?
I mean, everyone from the factory floor to the designers who are drawing it on the piece of paper are contributing to the delivery of this product to our customer.